This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so we'll be starting our next topic, that is inspection execution. Okay, so the topics that we are going to cover there, we will see the inspection process flow. Okay, then we will understand what is inspection lot. Okay, how to create the inspection lots and what data inspection lot will contain. We will see that in the system, and how the sample determination is done in the system. We will see. Then results recording process, how the results recording is done, different methods of results recording, then usage decision, what is usage decision, what are the different methods of doing usage decision, and then stock posting, and finally how to do automatic usage decision. So these are the topics we will be covering in the inspection execution. Okay, so normally in the inspection execution process, what happens is, based on certain events, system will generate a inspection lot. Okay, we will understand what is this inspection lot, why it is used, okay, what is its importance, we will understand. So basically this inspection lot is basically a request given to the quality analyst for doing the quality inspection. Okay, so once this lot is created, next step is sample determination. Okay, so the sample quantity is calculated. So the analyst should take some sample from the total quantity, so that sample determination they will do. Once that is done, analyst what he does is, using that sample, he will take the sample and he will perform all the quality test. Once he does the testing, he will come to the system, he will do the results recording. That means whatever the results he gets, those results he will enter in the system, results recording. And if at all there is any rejections, he will do defect recording. Of course, this is optional. This is not mandatory, this is optional. After that, he will do the usage decision. UD and then stock posting, followed by stock posting. So this is the total inspection process flow. Inspection process flow. Okay. So first we will start with inspection lot. So an inspection lot within the SAP quality management module is a formal request to a plant to examine a specific quantity of material. So what is inspection lot means? Inspection lot is a request given to the quality people, quality department people, to examine a particular material, examine a particular quantity of a material, nothing but quality testing. Okay, an inspection lot documents the inspection requirement. Okay, so basically there is a lot created means there is a inspection activity needs to be done. Okay, and it is a prerequisite for inspection. So to do quality inspection in the SAP system, inspection lot is mandatory. Without inspection lot, you cannot do quality inspection. So entire SAP QM module will work with these lots only, inspection lots. Okay. Now, inspection lots can contain several operations. I will show you this in the system. Okay. An inspection lot can be created manually by the user or automatically by the system. So normally there are two methods to generate lot, either manual or automatic. But in the real time, most of the time, 99.95%, okay, the lots will get generated automatically. Very rarely people will create lots manually. Lots manually. Okay, so normally in the real time they don't give authorization to create the lots manually. Very rare scenarios with special permissions they will create lots manually. 99% most of the time lots will get generated automatically. Okay, inspection lots can be created automatically by the events triggered in other components of the logistics supply chain. So when you do activities in other areas of the supply chain, like in procurement, production, sales, okay, engineering, plant maintenance, if they do certain activities, that time the lots will get generated automatically. Okay, so here this is the one. Suppose when you receive a material from a supplier, vendor, supplier, when you receive the material, system will generate an inspection lot. Or in the plant maintenance module, when they create a calibration order, it will generate an inspection lot. And in the PP production, when they create a production order, you can generate an inspection lot. And in the sales, when they do the delivery to the customer, when they deliver the product to the customer, when they create the sales order or delivery, they can generate a inspection lot. And in the batch management, they do the deadline monitoring. When they do the deadline monitoring, you can generate an inspection lot. And very rare cases, you can create a lot manually also. So once this lot is generated, using this lot, the quality department people will do the quality inspection. That's what will happen. Okay, these scenarios, all these scenarios we will cover in our later classes. Okay, today we will see how to create the lot manually. We will see how to create the lot manually, and also I will show you one of the automatic creation method. Okay, now what data lot will contain? Next question. So a inspection lot will contain all the material relevant data. What is a material? What is a plant? What is a quantity? All that information it will contain. Material relevant data. Now next one, it will contain lot size data. Okay, what is the total quantity of the lot? What is a sample quantity? All those things it will contain. Next one is data for inspection lot origin. Why this inspection lot is generated? Because of what activity? That you can see it here. Okay, next one is inspection instructions. That is your inspection plan. That also it will contain. Okay, I will show you this in the system. Okay, so if we go to the system, now I will go to the transaction called QA32. QA32. Okay, if you go to this transaction, now normally in the real time, the quality users will be using this transaction frequently. Every day they will use this transaction. Okay, so what I will do, I will enter the data. Okay, I'll enter the date. I'll enter the plant. I'll select all inspection lot as of now. Let me execute. I'll just go to a lot which is already there in the system. See, these are the lots we created already. Already we created. Suppose if I take a lot, if I go to the lot, inside the lot, you see here, this is a lot number. Every lot is identified with a unique number, and this is a material. Okay, and this is the plant. This is the plant in which this lot is created. That is a material data. Now the next one is you have the lot size data. That means if you see here, lot quantity. This is the total quantity, lot quantity, and this is the sample quantity. This is the sample quantity. Okay. Now the next one is it will have data for inspection lot origin. Why this lot is created? That you can see it here. You see here there is a tab here, data for lot origin. As of now, this lot I created manually actually. This lot I created manually. That's why you are not able to see this data for lot origin. Why it is generated? Okay, I will show you when we create a fresh lot. Okay, now the next one is inspection specification, inspection instructions. That means inspection specification. So if you go here, if you see there is a tab here, inspection specification. This is the one. Inspection plan, group number, group counter, its usage, all these things you can see it here. Okay, so this is the data a inspection lot will contain. Okay, so now what I will do, we will create the lots. We will create the lots. So the first step is in the inspection execution process is first is creation of inspection lot. Okay, so this is the one. Let's go to the flow. Otherwise I will go here. First step is inspection lot creation. Inspection lot creation. The T code is, if you are creating manually, before that, it can be created manually or automatic. Both options are possible. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so inspection lot creation can be done manually or automatically. Okay, so let me create the lot first manually. Okay, so what material we will take? this nitric acid. Okay. So what I will do, I'll activate one more inspection type. Just give me 1 minute. I'll activate 93, right? 93. I will go to QM view. Okay, go to inspection setup. Okay, I will activate both inspection types. 89. Okay, I will activate one more. 05. 05 I will activate. I activated two inspection types. Okay, both I activated. Continue. Now save it. Okay, so now I will take this material. First is we need to create the lots. Okay, so already I have shown you a lot of times how to create a lot manually. The T code is QA01. Okay, I will show you just one more time. Okay, so to create manually, go to QA01, enter the material, enter the plant for which you want to create, enter the lot origin. You can select the lot origin. Okay, we will discuss this lot origin when we go to configuration, but as of now select 89. Okay, enter. Okay, enter the quantity. Enter the quantity. Let's say I want to do inspection on a 100-liter material. Enter the batch number, activate the batch number. Okay, activate the batch number. Just save the lot. Simply just save the lot. That's all. That's okay. Enter. Enter. So now the lot will get generated. Okay, see now the lot got generated. This is manual creation through QA01. This is the manual. Now most of the time it will come automatically. I will show you how it's get generated automatically. Suppose I have this material 93. I am receiving this material from a vendor, from a supplier. Okay, supplier. So when I receive the material, system will automatically generate a lot. So for that, what I did is, if I go to MM02, QM view, plant is 1710. I already activated inspection type, this one, 05. Inspection for other goods receipt. I already activated it. So when I receive the material, I want to do quality inspection. So that inspection type is activated. What I will do, as of now, I'll deactivate this automatic assignment. I'll tell you why I'm deactivating this automatic assignment. Okay, now continue, done, save it. So now I will receive this material from a supplier. So I'm doing Migo. This will be done by the warehouse team. This will be done by the warehouse team. We will not be doing in the real time, nothing to worry. So select goods receipt, other. Okay, now I'll enter the material. Okay, I'll enter the inspection, just 1 minute. 501, right? The movement type is 501, right? Inspection without PO. 501. This is a movement type. Okay, now let's say I'll enter the material. My material is, what is the material? Material is 93. Enter the material, 93. Quantity, let's say 500-liter I am receiving from a supplier. Where? In this plant 1710 and into the storage location. Okay, now we enter once. Let's see what happens. Let me check. Creating batch, that's okay. Continue. Okay, the meaning here is I am receiving this material, nitric acid. Okay, this much quantity, 500 quantity from a supplier. Okay, supplier without a purchase order. With purchase order, we will see in the next class. So I'm just receiving the material without a purchase order. So when I receive it, I want to do quality inspection. I want to do quality inspection. Why still it is showing 561? Just 1 minute. Where? Okay, I will make it to 560. Okay, without PO. I'm receiving without PO. Partner is there, batch is there, everything is there. Okay. Now when I receive this material, stock will go into quality inspection. Just check once. That's okay. And now I will post it. That means I received material. So now this time the lot will come automatically. So material is posted. Now if you go to MMBE, enter the material. I'm checking the stock inventory of the material. Enter the plant, enter the stock, enter the material, enter the plant, execute. See, stock you can see 500 liter. Where it is showing? It is showing in quality inspection. Stock directly went into quality inspection. Okay. Now, if you go to our transaction QA32, now the lot will come automatically. If you go to QA32, now I will enter the material. What is the material we are using all the time now? 93. If you go to 93, enter the material, select all inspection lots, execute. See, now there is a material, there is a lot got generated. You see here, the one which I created manually is this one. The one which are automatically generated is this one. See, 500 liter quantity, lot got generated. This is a lot number. Now, if you go inside the lot, you can see that. See, this is a lot. This lot is generated because of this goods receipt document number. Okay, so here the lot is generated automatically. Okay, so that is our. So either you can generate the lots manually or automatic. So first step. After the lot is generated, next step is lot generated. Next step is assignment of the specification. Okay, so you need to assign the inspection plan. Otherwise, you cannot proceed further. So suppose if I go to the lot is created. What is the lot status now? Lot status is created. It is in created mode. Now for this lot, if I try to do results recording, you see how system will behave. If I go to QA02, if I try to do results recording, enter. See what message you are getting. The function you selected cannot be carried out. That means the lot is not released. Without releasing the lot, you cannot do quality inspection. You cannot do results recording. You cannot enter because the lot is not yet released. So now lot has to be released. So next step to release the lot, you need to assign the plan. So next step is assign inspection plan. Step 2. Step 2 is assign inspection plan. Assign inspection plan. This again you can do manually or automatically. Manual or automatic. You can do manually or automatically. I will show you both. Assignment of inspection plan. Okay. And the next step is sample quantity determination. Sample quantity determination. Again, this can be done manually or automatically. So I'll show you both. Okay. So now to assign the inspection plan manually, what you need to do is take the lot, go to change inspection lot. Here you go. Lot is being processed by MMB. Okay, I opened in one more session. That's why we are getting that. Okay, I'll just go back. Again, select the lot. Go to change inspection lot. Okay, here now as of now the lot is in created mode. So to assign the inspection plan manually, go to the specification here. Here you see there is a button here, task list or specification. You need to click on this button. Click on that button. It is showing some message. That's okay. I'll change the state usage to 3. Continue. See, now the inspection plan is assigned. It is manually we are doing. Once this inspection plan is assigned, now go to the sample tab. Okay, you have to click on this button. We have seen this already. So if you click on this button, it will calculate the sample quantity. So we are now at this. We created the lot. We assigned the inspection plan manually. Now we are calculating the sample quantity. We are doing all these things manually. Okay, so now go here. Now here click on this button, sample quantity calculation. Click on this. See, now the sample quantity calculated. Now the moment I save, as the plan is assigned and sample quantity is calculated, lot status will get changed to released. So now when I save it, you see, I saved it. Now I'll refresh the screen. What do you observe? The lot status changed to released. Okay, so that is either, as of now I have shown these two steps manually. Now let's say if you want to do automatically, if you want to do it automatically when the lot is released. So in the configure, in the master data, in the what do you call, if you go to material master /mm02, go to the material master. If you want those two activities has to execute it automatically, you go to QMU plant, go to inspection setup. Okay, here in the inspection for other good receipt, this is an inspection type we are using. Here you see there is a checkbox, automatic assignment. Then system only will do automatically. So I'm activating this checkbox. You need to activate this checkbox. Now automatically both inspection plan assignment and the release, what do you call, sample quantity calculation, both will happen automatically. Now I'll show you. I assigned this, save it. Okay, I need to make the usage also same. Just give me 1 minute. UP02 93 plant is 1717. That usage should match, otherwise it will not release. So let me go to header and make the change of usage to 5 goods receipt. Now save it. Now I will create, I'll receive one more quantity of the material, Miko. Okay, enter the material 93, enter quantity. Now let's say this time I'm receiving 600 liter. Enter, where all the data has come, partner, everything, that's okay. Now check, that's okay. And now I am receiving 600 liter material from a supplier. Now when I save it, you see all will happen simultaneously. Now if I go to change inspection data, refresh, you see one more lot got created, 600 liter. But if you go to the lot, see lot is already released. Lot is already released. And if you go to inspection specification, see the plan is already assigned. You see the inspection plan is already assigned, and the lot quantities, if you go, see sample quantity also got calculated. That means these two steps automatically done, automatically executed. Normally in the real time they will happen automatically. Nobody will accept, users will not accept to go to a lot inside and click on that buttons, they will not accept. So normally they will happen automatically. So to do automatically, I showed you already where to make the setting. So this is the sample quantity determination. So lot is created, inspection plan is assigned, sample quantity determined. Now after this, the quality person will do the quality inspection. Now the person knows the lot is sample quantity determined. We already discussed sample determination. What are the sample types? We have fixed sample, percentage sample, 100% inspection, sampling scheme. All these things we already discussed. We already discussed in our previous class. Okay. Now once the sample quantity is determined, quality person, what he does is he will go to the particular material. He will take the sample quantity. Then he will go to the lab. He will go to the lab. He will go to the lab. Okay, he take the sample quantity. He will come to the lab, and they will do all the quality tests. All the quality test. Once the testing is done, they will enter that results in the system. They will enter that results in the system. That is called now. What do you say? They will. That is called results recording. Next step is results recording. Results recording. Results recording. Okay, basically results recording means whatever the results you get, entering those results in the system begins a lot. Okay, so that is a results recording. So we are here now, results recording. So they enter the result, then they will do the valuation, and then they will click on a button called completion. They will do these activities. Now this results recording can be done from various places. One is they can do through manually, or they can do through inspection list transaction, or they can do through work list also. Three options are there. Okay, three options are there. So first we will start with manual. Manual means they will use transaction QA02. QA02. That means if we go to the system, let us go back. So to do manually, what they do is they will go to this transaction QA02. Change inspection lot. You enter the lot. You enter the lot. Here you see there is a button. Record results. Click on that button. Now it will take you to the results recording screen. Results recording screen. Okay. This is one method. This is one method. Okay. QA02. Or they can use directly QE01 also. QE01. Record results. Enter the lot. Enter the operation. Then enter plant. Then you can do QE01 direct. That is also possible. This is manual ones. Now the next one is work list. Work list, the one which we are using all the time. Work list means this QA32. QA32. Now I will show you this transaction. Just go back. QA32. Okay. Here you enter your plant. You enter your material. Material is 93. If you want to see all the lots, select all the lots. Select all inspection lots. Now it will display all inspection lots. So it is showing all. Okay. Now if you want to see only the lots without usage decision, you can select this one. Select this one and execute. But of course, in our case, all the lots are still not usage, not decision is not done. That's why it is showing all. That's okay. So now go back. Okay. So what do you mean? So this is the QA32 work list. So what they do? They select this, or normally they will select this second radio button. Execute. You will get all the lots here. This is through work list. So now they will select the lot. They will click on this button here. You see here there is a button. Change inspection results. They will click on this button. It is having two operations. It is asking you to select the operation. Select the operation. Then you go to results recording screen. This is one transaction. QA32. Another transaction is sometimes some industries they use inspection list. QE51N. They will use this transaction. Okay, I'll show you that transaction also. So let me go to one more session. QE51N. Enter. This is the one. Results recording work list. Okay, so here let me close this. Enter the plant. Enter the material. My material is 93. Okay, enter the material. Just one. Okay, now just execute. Here you will get all the lots. Here you will get all the lots. Here you see, you will get all the lots. From this, you open like this. First go to first operation. Here you will enter the results. So this is through another transaction, QE51 here. Okay, but where I work the most of the time in the industries, they will use this work list only. Work list. They will use this one. This one, the QA32. QA32, they will use work list for inspection. Most of the time they will use this one. Okay, so now from that I will show you the results recording. So take the lot, go to results recording. I am doing it for the first operation. Select the first operation. Okay, these are the three characteristics: color, odor, clarity. Okay, enter the inspected quantity 11. Now enter the result here. Color, let's say my color is red. Enter the color. Okay, now odor, let's say it is okay. Odor is okay. Now clarity, it is okay. Okay, enter the results. This is how you do the results. Now it is asking for valuation. Accept, accept, accept. Valuation is done. Normally after the valuation is done, what they do? They will select the characteristic and they will click on this button, close. There is a lock button is here, right? They will close that button. But here in the system, already they made a setting for automatic close. I will show you that also. So when you close this, the status of the lot, that characteristic will get changed to 5. Processing is completed. Okay, so basically they enter the result, then they do the valuation, and then they will close the characteristic. These are the three activities they will do. This is the one. Enter result, valuation, and then completion. Valuation means just saying yes, accept or reject. That is the one. And even You can trigger valuation manually also. Suppose if you go to this one, you select the characteristic. After entering the characteristic, here you see there is a button, value it. You can do it manually. Manually evaluate, then close it. So these are the enter the result, evaluate it, close it. So first operation it is done. Let me save this. Okay, now I'll do the second operation. Select the lot. Again, go to results recording. Now I have to do for second operation, chemical inspection. Okay, in the chemical inspection, we have two characteristics, pH and SA. Inspect, quantity, enter the quantity, and then result is, let's say pH is 9, SA is, let's say 102. Enter. It is doing evaluation, accept, accept. Done, and the characteristic is closed. Now save it. So now results recording is done. So now if you refresh the screen, when you do results recording, the lot status will get changed to this one. See, if you see the lot status, if you click on this I button, the lot status is changed to this one, results confirmed. Results confirmed. Okay, so that's the status it will get changed to RREC. That means results recording is completed. Okay, so results recording is done. This is the one. This is the one we discussed just now. Okay, what they do, they select the lot, they select the operation, and then they enter the results, record the results, then they evaluate the result. That means whether it is accept or reject. Evaluate the result and finally close the result. That means they will click on a log button. So in the system where I showed you, it is happen automatically. The reason is in the configuration they made a setting, automatic close. I will show you that configuration setting. Let's go to configuration, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Scroll down, go to quality management. Okay, go to basic settings. Okay, go to settings at plant level. Okay, go to this plant 1710. Go to details. Okay, here results recording. Here you see recording configuration. They made it as automatic close. Automatic close. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, automatic close. Automatic close. Okay, so that is our automatic close. So because of this, it is happening automatically. If you want to do it manually, just make this as a blank. Make this as a blank. That is a setting. Okay. Okay. So now, so that is a results. That is a results recording you do. So once you enter the result, valuation will happen, and the status will get changed to. This is a valuation. Valuation okay or not okay. After that, once you complete it, the lot status will get the characteristic status will get changed to 5. Completed. That's one I showed you. This is the one. If you go to the lot, it came out of the results recording now. Okay, I'll go to results recording. Okay, just 1 minute. See, if I go to results recording, you see the status is changed to 5. Status is changed to 5. That means processing is completed. 5. Processing is completed. All activities done. That is a results recording. Okay. Once the results recording is done, okay, next step is usage decision. Next step. Okay, here. Results recording is completed. Next step is usage decision. Usage decision. Usage decision and followed by stock posting. Followed by stock posting. Stock posting. We will see this. Okay. Stock posting. So now, so what is usage decision? Usage decision means finally you are telling whether the stock can be used or not. Usage decision means you are indicating in the system whether that stock can be used, accepted or rejected. That's what the usage decision, UD. Okay. So this UD, that's what after results recording and inspection completion, you must make a usage decision for the inspected goods. Okay, it specifies whether the goods in the inspection lot have been accepted or rejected for use. Okay, or rejected for use. Okay, so that is a usage decision. So now how to do the usage decision, I will tell you. So let's go to the system. Okay, this is the lot, right? So before that, I'll go to stock overview, MMB. Okay, so now we have two lots. One is 500 quantity, another one is 600 quantity. Okay, first lot, for which one we did the results recording, 500 one we did the results recording, right? So now I will do the UD. Select the lot. Here you see there is a button. Change usage decision. Click on that button. Now we are doing the UD. Results recording is completed. Now we are doing UD. Click on the list. UD code. Accept unrestricted use. Okay. We are accepting it. Enter. After that, you have to do the stock posting. Next step. UD and then stock posting. So here there is a button here. There is a tab here. Inspection lot stock. Click on the tab. Go here. As of now, the stock is in quality inspection. Now let's move it to unrestricted use. Enter the unrestricted use means upload stock. Enter. Done. Now they will save it. So when I save it, stock will get moved from here to here. It is in quality inspection. Now it is approved. So we are moving it to unrestricted use. Unrestricted use means approved stock, so that people can use it. When the stock is in quality inspection, people cannot use it. You cannot issue it to anybody. Okay, so now I'm saving the usage decision. So now usage decision is saved. Now when I refresh the screen, suppose I'll go back home, I'll select all inspection lots. See, the lot for which I did UD, what is the status now? Status changed to green light. Green light means all activities completed. Even you see the system status is changed to UD. If you go to the lot inside, lot will get updated with a status called UD. Usage decision is completed. That means all activities are done. Okay, so that is how you do the usage decision and stock posting. Now for the one more lot, if I try to do UD, this is a lot, right? If I try to do directly UD, for this results recording is not done. I'm directly trying to do UD. Now you see, if I go to UD, see what message you are getting. Some required characteristics are still open. Do you want force inspection completion? That means here what we are doing, without doing results recording, we are directly doing UD. So still if you see, system is allowing it. This is an interview question. Can we do UD without doing results recording? Yes, you can do. That is possible. See, system is now allowing. This is called forced UD. Forced UD means without doing results recording, doing the UD. So yes. Now what I will do, I'll post this stock to blocked stock. Suppose let's say all characteristics failed. So stock is rejected. Then you will do the UD as rejected. See, rejected blocked stock. This is a UD code. Now the question is from where all these UD codes are coming. I will tell you in a minute. So I'll tell you that also. So from where these UD codes are coming? These UD codes are coming from your catalogs, which we discussed yesterday. Suppose if I go to QS 51, the catalog type is 3 usage decision. This is the one. The catalog type is 3 usage decision. So here, if you see here, catalog type is 3. Our plant is 1710. Enter once. Okay. Let's go to QS 41. QS 41. Already maintained, right? See, it is there. It is there. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll put it as star. It should come with star actually. Okay, not a problem. See, these are the UD codes maintained. If I select the first one, if you why we are getting this, let's go to QS 51. Okay, let's take this. It is not taking. Okay, let's go to configuration now. Let's go through configuration. Go to quality. This is a change I think in S4HANA. Go to quality, planning, basic data, catalogs, define catalog types, 3. Okay, this is okay. This is catalog type. Already maintained, right? Why we are getting this error message? Not sure. Okay, anyway, but that is a data maintained. So from that it will come. It will come. Okay. So basically, what happens is you have the catalog type 3. In that you maintain the code group. In that you maintain the codes. So that's what. That's from there it will pick up. It will pick up. Okay. So now I'll select rejected usage UD code. Enter. Now as it is reject, normally what they do, they will move it to blocked stock. If it is approved, unrestricted use. If it is rejected, they will move it to blocked stock. So I'll move this to blocked stock. Enter. Now save it. Now the stock will get moved to blocked stock. Refresh the screen. Lot states change to green light because all activities completed. Now if you go to stock overview, if you refresh the screens, see the 500 quantity which is approved, it is moved to here. Now if I scroll down and if I scroll to right, see it is moved to blocked stock, another lot quantity which is rejected. So once it is moved to blocked, nobody can use this stock. It is rejected stock. Blocked stock means it is rejected. So this is the flow. So basically UD is done. UD is done. So once the UD is done, during the stock posting, you can move the stock to any of these things. Any of these things. Okay. And for if you see here, for the manual lot, there is a one manual lot. 2 are stock relevant lots. This is the lot which I created manually. So for this manual lots, there will not be any stock posting. Suppose if I try to go to UD for manual lot, you see that tab itself is not there. That tab, stock posting tab itself is not there. So for manual lots, there is no stock posting. If I try to do the UD I can do. Accepted, enter, done. There is no stock posting here because this is a manually created lot. Save it. That's all. Refresh. So this is how you can do usage decision, and then if required stock posting you can do. Okay, so that is a usage decision and stock posting. You can do this stock posting for various others also. Even you can post some quantitative sample usage. Suppose I'll create one more lot. I will show you that also. I'll just create one more lot. Slash and we go. I'll create one more lot. 93. Enter. Now I will create the lot for 150 liter. Where everything has come partner batch, it will create. That's okay. I'm receiving another 150 liter from a supplier. Save it. Done. If you go to stock overview, refresh the screen, you got one more quantity, 150 liter. Now if you go to our inspection lots, okay. So now if you see, if I select this second radio button, it will show only open lots without usage decision. If I execute, it is showing only the open lot for which UD is not done, 150 liter. But if I go back, if I select all inspection lots, it will show all the lots. See, it is showing now all the lots. All the lots. You see, now only for one lot the UD is not done. So now as you see, the lot is already released. If you go to the lot is already released. And the sample quantity is calculated. Now when I'm doing the UD, one more option is, if I try to do UD, I try to do UD because this is forced UD, you are getting this. We haven't done results recording, that's okay. Accepted unrestricted use stock. Now when I go to stock posting, here we received 150 liter, okay, but out of which 1 liter is used for analysis. So that 1 liter you can use it here, sample consumption. So I'm posting 149 to approved stock and 1 liter is consumed during analysis. So that also you can enter. Done. Now what happens? Now 1 liter will get consumed from the system and only 149 liter will get moved over to unrestricted use. That's what will happen. So you can enter the sample consumption quantity also here. Now save it. So done. Refresh the screen. All activities completed. Now if you go to stock overview, if I refresh, only 149 liter will get moved here. That 1 liter will get consumed from the system. Refresh. See, it is showing only 149. 1 liter will write off from the system. And one more thing is the movement types you should know. When you do the stock posting, if it is to approved stock, if it is approved stock, the movement type is 321. You have to remember this. And if it is blocked stock, let me check. Blocked stock 3, I'm not sure, I need to check. Okay, suppose if you go to stock overview, if you right click on the stock, go to material movements, see, with 501 movement we received it, 321 movement is approved stock. Now if I go to blocked stock, the movement type is just 1 minute. Very difficult to remember all the movement types. If you put the cursor on the stock, go to material movements. See, the movement type is 501 we received, 350 is a movement type. 350 is a movement type to move to blocked stock. 350. That's what you should know. Okay. Normally, sometimes they may ask this question: what is a movement type to move the stock from quality to unrestricted use stock? Approved stock 321 movement type, and to blocked stock the movement type is 350. So at least you should remember main movement types. Okay. So whatever we discussed, the process is normally users will execute every day this process. Okay. The first 3 steps normally will happen automatically. Normally only they will take the sample quantity. So see, normally what happens is every day what happens is the users will come, they will execute this transaction, they enter the material for which they are responsible and they will select this one. Okay, I'll create one more lot now. I'll create one more lot for you. Me go. So what they do is enter the material 93, enter quantity. Now this time I will enter 200 now. Done. Check. It's okay. I'll post it. Okay, I posted it. Lot will get generated. Now what they do every day, they will come to this transaction. I'll show you one more time. QA32, the users, they will come to this. They will enter the material for which he is responsible, 93, and he will select the second radio button. Only they want to see open lots. So they will select this radio button, execute. See, there is one open lot. Okay, now he will go inside the lot. He will check the sample quantity he has to take. He will go here. He will check, okay, this much sample quantity I have to take. So he will go to the material in the lab or in the warehouse. He will take this sample quantity 1 liter. He will come to the lab. He will perform all the testing, and after that he will do the results recording. After the results recording is completed, he will do the usage decision and stop posting. That's what they will do. Normally, the first 3 steps will happen automatically. Only they will be doing results recording, UD, and stock posting. Only to make you understand, I showed you these 3 steps also manually. Okay. Normally, this will happen automatically in the background. Okay. So with this, we are completed with our automatic UD. I will tell you later point of time. I need to make certain settings in this system, new system. I'll tell you later point of time. Automatic UD. Okay. So with this, we are done with inspection execution.